Hello everyone, this is Nicole. Um, my video will be in response to our readings for Dr. D's class. I'm going to jump right in, answering some of the questions, not all of the questions because it was quite a lot. It was a lot. Anyway, I think that the readings, the articles that we were assigned to read this week are good for everyone depending on the lens that, or the lens from which someone is going to be reading these articles or taking this information in. Socially, it is good for those that feel deprived of something or unempowered, or those that may need affirmation, particularly when it comes to being in sync with mind, body, and understanding. Some may find the term anti-oppressive when used with the words classroom, anti-oppressive teaching, anti-oppressive learning, particularly problematic, I think, since it suggests that it is against any oppression that may be found in the classroom, teaching, or learning. It kind of reminded me of um, the free schools that have been established, which pretty much lend themselves to allowing students total autonomy over their learning and their experiences. And I pretty much think that if you are teaching, then you have a curriculum or you have a framework in which you are going to try to facilitate that in which you are trying to teach. But what if your learners are not receptive of that? How much autonomy are they allowed in moving off of the beaten path? And so when using the word anti-oppressive, I think that that term may have been used loosely. And so I understood it, or what the author meant, but it could be a problem for others in some other arenas. Oppression to me, in some shape, form, or fashion, is everywhere. Um, so I ask myself, is there really a place socially or academically that anyone is really or truly free? And that took my attention to one of the articles that we read, and it outlined or talked about transformational resistance, which I hope I don't pronounce this wrong. Shah Shahjahan uses Jeffrey's four modes of resistance as an organizing thematic for the paper or the article. And I think that truly people are only free when they transform themselves and understand their limits and their expectations for themselves, and not living up to a standard that has been set by someone else. I think that true freedom um, comes from transforming your own self, your own mind, and understanding what your limits and what your freedoms are. Thank you.